Another investor, Churro Ice Cream, again in the food court of Robinson's Manila Loop. A lot of the businessmen here are really investing, small and big. They're positive about our economy. Let's help. Mag-ipon tayo, magsipag tayo, magtiyaga para makabili rin tayo para sa family. Look, oh. That's where they cook it. Robinson.